how do they come up with your driver's license number?
I know. Is yours like? Does it start with a T?
No, mine starts with an M.
Oh, interesting. Oh wait, that's your last name.
Oh my God, you're right.
Hey y'all, it's your girl kylashaiibooking, whatever you want to say, and I is back with another video. Alright, so if you guys want to know like how I got this look right here, keep on watching. So throughout the whole video, I'm eating some Popeye's chicken. But so first, I do start out with my Even edge control and my little brush that I got from the hair store. Brush out my edges first. And yes, you guys, this is a shirt that's on top of my damn head. It's a shirt. Actually, so what I do is I pull it so I can, you know, put it on top of my head, and I have the two end pieces of the shirt, pull it tight and pull it to the front as well, so I can put it all like up in like a little baby ponytail, whatever you want to call it, like this. So when I did it the first time, it actually messed up, you guys will see. But so I just used one scrunchie to like grip it, make a little ponytail. And I twist it. As you can see, like right over there, it's about to bust. Look. Boom. Exactly. So we're gonna try this again. So all I have to do is like literally pull it really tight so the end pieces can get into that ponytail as well. So I twist it around and then I literally make a little bun. Put the other ponytail hold on right on top of that. Yep. And then so I'm gonna pull out my edges again because they probably got pushed back in the process. So I did spray the brush with the spray bottle just to like wet up the brush a little bit, but there's no other product on the brush. I'm just trying to make the formation of how I want the edges to look. So I did put the edge control on the comb part of the brush, and I literally just put a little bit on the edges. And then I do the little swoop. Do y'all remember that little video with that little boy when he was on his father's phone? He was talking about the swoop, and then when he had to go, he was like swoop. That's what you gotta do with the edges, like literally swoop, whoop, whatever, you know. Make a little formation. But honestly, when it comes to your edges, you just do the design that you want to do and that you know looks good for you. But this is what I do, and I also do make sure I tuck in like the end pieces of the edges underneath the head wrap. But yup, this is how I get this look. Thank you all for watching.